In this series of videos, we present the available fill types and their properties. This video is about the Netfill type. Netfill creates a grid made of two sets of intersecting scan lines using parallel and equidistant running stitches. These intersecting lines form a net, which is ideal for creating freestanding lays or filling open areas in cut fabric designs. You can easily set any digitized object to Netfill by simply selecting it and choosing the Netfill type from the Embroidery Properties. Once applied, you can customize Netfill using the available property options. Using the cell size option, you can specify the length of the sides for the squares that form the Netfill grid. For example, if you set the cell size to 2 mm, each square of the net will measure 2 mm on each side. Let's enable the stitch points view. The software automatically adds a stitch point in the middle between the scan lines to improve embroidery quality. When the cell size changes, the stitch length of the Netfill adjusts accordingly. The maximum possible value for cell size is 9.9 mm and the minimum is 0.5 mm. Next, the offset option lets you expand or shrink the fill relative to the original shape. A positive value, like 6 mm, expands the Netfill outward beyond the object's outline. A negative value, like -6 mm, pulls the Netfill inward, keeping it inside its original outline. Offset values range from -15 mm to 15 mm. Any changes you make are applied instantly, so you can preview the results in real time. Finally, you can adjust the angle to change how the Netfill is applied. At 0 degrees, the grid aligns perfectly with the X and Y axes. If you change the angle value to 45 degrees, the Netfill rotates 45 degrees counterclockwise, completely changing its direction. This lets you orient the Netfill to match your shape, creating smoother, high-quality embroidery results. Thank you for watching.